All right, we're still on Unit 7, questions 3 and 4, or Lesson 7, questions 3 and 4. Says the volume of a sphere is approximately 44.6022 in cubic centimeters. What's the radius? So here's my attempt at drawing a sphere. I'm going to kind of curve this around a little bit, make it dotted in the back. It's hard to draw in here, and I don't know why my pen just changed colors, but no big deal. Okay, that's a messed up sphere, but you get the idea. We know the formula for volume of a sphere, it's on your Regents reference sheet, is 4/3 pi r cubed. Be careful with that cubed. Everybody just automatically puts a squared because that's what they're used to, but it's 4/3 pi r cubed. And they give me volume. So I'm going to plug volume in for V, and I'm solving for r. And so really it's just an algebra problem here. 44.6022 equals 4/3 pi times r cubed. Okay, so I need to divide. Really, if I'm getting rid of this 4/3, this is what people have a problem with. If this 3 makes you uncomfortable, you can multiply both sides by 3 to start with, and then you don't have a fraction to deal with over there anymore. So if you do 3 times 44.6022, you get 133.8066 equals pi r cubed. Now divide by pi. And when you divide by pi, you have 42.592, we'll call it, equals r cubed. Okay, so what do we do here? This is the tricky part. So to undo a cubed, you have to do something called take the cubed root. And so in your calculator, you're looking for something with a little 3 here, and I'm going to tell you how to get it. So on your calculator, you're going to use the math button, and you're going to go over, or actually just down to number 4, math on the calculator, and then scroll down to number 4. And that will give you that cubed root. So you can just type that right in your calculator. And the cubed root of 42.592 comes out to be 3.49 for your radius. And then I'm going to go back and see what I need to round to the nearest tenth of a centimeter. So that's 3.5 centimeters. Okay, so the trick was finding that cubed root button on your calculator, and it's under the math menu. Just quickly, we're going to take a look at number 4. So number 4 says Walter wants to make 100 candles in the shape of a cone. You're going to find the volume of a cone. Volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r squared times height. They give you the height is 8 inches. They give you the diameter is 3 inches. Just make sure that you're not using the whole diameter. You're using the radius of 1.5 instead. At the end, they want you to find the nearest cubic inch the volume of 100 candles will be, so just multiply your answer by 100.